Welcome back. This is a mass airflow sensor, MAF. The job of this is to tell how much air is entering into the engine and then report this data to the ECU, engine control unit, after which the ECU will say how much fuel has to be injected. The goal here is to get a proper fuel to air ratio. Over time, this sensor can get dirty, which can cause it to report incorrect data. This can cause a drop in your fuel mileage. It could cause your engine to run rough or even hesitate under acceleration. Make sure your sensor is cool. You do not want to be spraying onto a hot sensor. You will damage the sensor. Not every vehicle has a MAF sensor, especially older vehicles. Now, this sensor will be located between your air filter and your throttle body. So here we can see right after the air filter, we have this thing over here. This is your MAF sensor. To remove this sensor, push back on this tab to then remove this connector. Then take these two screws out. Pull it out. And this is your MAF sensor. Now to clean a MAF sensor, you need a specific spray. It should mention on it MAF cleaner, or in this case, we can see airflow sensor cleaner. I am not endorsing any product here. I just got what was easily available at my local store. Here you can see these wires. These are very delicate. Do not touch them. You will easily damage it. This particular MAF does not actually look that bad, but still we'll give it a clean. So take your MAF cleaner, just give it 1 or 2 bursts of spray on all these wires. But just make sure it's dry before putting it back. You do not want to start the car with a wet MAF sensor. Before putting it back, just clean this area over here from any dust. Over here also you'll see there's a rubber gasket. Just give this a wipe. Put it back in. Put the screws back in. Do not drop the screws like I just did. I was lucky enough that the screw actually fell right through onto the floor. Do not over tighten the screws. Put the connector back. That's it, you're all done. There will be more videos on how to improve fuel mileage. If you like today's content, please consider subscribing and giving a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.